What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. Today we're going to be doing a F250. We're going to be doing a full interior detail. It's not too bad. It has rubber mats, so that makes it cleaning it up even easier. And then it has a little bit of dog hair, but that should vacuum right up. Or we're just going to use the tool to get the dog hair up and then vacuum it up on the end. So what you want to do is like pretty much a reset. Just bought it from somebody. So basically just cleaning it out, making it feel brand new for him again. And then we're gonna try to tackle some spots on the headliner as well. I think kind of looks like a little bit of makeup, doesn't look like water spots, but I'm thinking it's gonna come out. I don't know. But first thing first, what we're gonna do is I always do the seats first, no matter if it's leather or fabric. I always just tackle the seats. And then once I tackle the seats, then I start doing the full interior, and I start from the driver's side. I do one side of the vehicle, then I move on to the other side of the vehicle, as y'all about to see throughout the video. First thing go in and blow everything out. Then what I do for trucks like this, the cup holders, all that stuff come out, so I take it all out. So any little pieces like this, I take them out. So there's like conditioner on the seat. How I know? It's hard to tell. Okay, you can see where they didn't put it at. Right here. See? That's why it's so shiny. There's some type of, it's a little greasy too. I'm basically stripping all that off with my leather cleaner. It's picking it all off. So you can see how it's matte. And then the rest of this is shiny because I haven't did the front yet. But I'm about to move to the front, knock that out, and get that over with. But let's see if I can get a comparison. So you can tell that this seat is shiny. Either it has something on it or either it's dirty, and then how this seat is matte.